For WTSA News and for Brattleboro Community Television on this Friday, April 16th, my name is Ian Kelly. These are some of the stories we're following at this hour. The state of Vermont reported 3 deaths and 176 new cases of COVID-19 on Thursday. There were 12 new positive tests reported in Windham County. The state of New Hampshire reported 3 deaths, 552 new positive tests for COVID-19 on Thursday, with 15 new cases reported in Cheshire County. The state of Massachusetts reported 5 deaths, 1,884 new cases of COVID-19 on Thursday, with 7 new positive tests reported in Franklin County. Vermont will extend the pause on the Johnson & Johnson COVID-19 vaccine for an additional week. The federal pause is in place to allow the CDC's Advisory Committee on Immunization Practices the time it needs to gather more data about reported side effects. The committee will meet again next week. This means that all Vermont Johnson & Johnson appointments will be canceled through Friday, April 23rd. Anyone who had an appointment canceled through the state registration system should call the health department at this number, 1-855-722-7878. The department is working hard to open as many additional appointments as possible for the Pfizer and Moderna vaccines and expects everyone impacted by this pause that they will be able to get an appointment by the end of April. New Hampshire Governor Chris Sununu announced that the statewide mask mandate will expire today. The announcement follows a reduction in the state's 7-day average of daily deaths to 0.6, the lowest since October of 2020, before the mask mandate had been implemented, as hospitalizations remain at a manageable level and has over 70% of those 65 and older have been vaccinated. Vermont will receive $104 million from FEMA to support the state with emergency protective measures to store, handle, transport, distribute, and administer the COVID-19 vaccine in accordance with their vaccination plan. These funds are being awarded to support the Vermont Agency of Human Services in order to address this immediate threat to life and public safety. The grant supported a total of 13 vaccination centers across the state from January 21st through April 21st. WTSA Sports, well, it had to end sometime. The Red Sox saw their 9-game winning streak come to an end yesterday. The Twins beat the Sox in the bottom of the 9th after a questionable call. Minnesota beats Boston 4-3. Boston turns around and hosts the White Sox today, weather permitting. First pitch is actually this evening at 7:10. The Yankees host Tampa tonight, first pitch at 7:05. Jaylen Brown scored 40 points to lead the Celtics past the Lakers last night in LA, 121-113. And Taylor Hall scored his first goal for the Bruins as they beat the Islanders 4-1 last night. For WTSA News and for Brattleboro Community Television on this Friday, April 16th, have a tremendous and safe weekend, everybody. My name is Ian Kelly.